Hi, if you're new here, we're Emma, Jack, and Poppy, and we're heading on a 10-day cruise to Alaska with NCL. We're celebrating some birthdays and anniversaries on the way. Come along on this epic Alaska trip. We are in the car, heading to the airport. You ready, Poppy? Are you good? Oh, you got baby? Yeah. You excited, Jack?
Yeah, I got a surprise for you too.
What?
We got upgraded to a balcony.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Ah!
It's the first time we ever bid for something and won it on a cruise line.
Yeah, we've bid for your parents and they've gotten upgraded, but this is the first time we've ever bid and got an upgrade, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Oh, that's exciting. So when we originally booked this cruise, actually, we booked it so we were in an interior, so it was super, super cheap. And then we thought about it a little bit and we're like, well, let's just do an ocean view. So we had like a porthole window basically. So we could
bigger than a porthole.
A decent size. Around like a double porthole. But we did put in a bid in hopes that maybe we would get it, and apparently we did. So now we have a balcony, which is going to be amazing because this is a 10-day cruise.
10 days.
10 days!
It's still really affordable.
Yeah, so how much is it like per person per day?
$160.
Wow.
That's after the upgrade costs.
That's after upgrades, that's with taxes and tips and everything.
And insurance.
And insurance. So what did you say, 160 bucks?
Yep.
I like that. And drinks, and what do we get?
Specialty dining.
One specialty dining, and
150 minutes of internet.
150 minutes of internet, that will upgrade. And then, the like $50 port fee if you use it, which I don't think we did any of them actually. So we have it, but we didn't use it. So, but let's go. Let's have some fun. 10-day Alaska cruise. Headed to the airport. Let's go.
Now.
Good morning. It is cruise day.
You
ready?
Tired.
I'm exhausted. You ready, Pop?
Yeah,
we're gonna go see Nanny and Granddad. You ready? Okay, let's go. We're going on this cruise with Jack's parents, so let's go and get this cruise started. We just pulled up to our boat. We were taking the NCL Sun, which is a smaller ship, but it is empty compared to normal, which is a huge plus. Let's go see how long the line is and how long it takes us to get in. What just happened?
I left my backpack at the lift.
It's got a lot of important stuff in it.
Yeah,
Look.
it doesn't have the camera.
Yeah, I have the
It has everything
camera,
else,
but it has pretty much everything else. But the guy we finally got a hold of, and now he is coming back.
Yes. Also,
At least we noticed it right away.
can we point out the fact when we were here like 4 months ago, this was chaos on the Bliss, and there is...
Literally nobody.
It's like slow-mo right now. And we got here about the same time.
Yeah, so let's see how fast we get through once we get your bag.
Yes.
Okay, it is 10:25. Let's see how long till we get on the ship. This is insane how empty it is. You ready? So it's 10:40 and now we are in the waiting room just waiting for our number to be called. That was a really quick boarding time, and we had to wait for Jack's dad for like 5 minutes talking
I don't know what he was doing.
to people. So, but pretty darn quick. Let you know when we're on board.
You would have thought he already indulged in the beverage package.
Let's go. Time to get on board. The Sun is an older ship. It launched in 2000, and at max capacity, it holds 2,400 passengers.
What are we doing right now? Are we getting some food?
No.
You want to eat?
Starting off with the buffet. Poppy's got a nice array. I got a little bit of Indian, some salad, and some fish. With a great view. Welcome to our room. We have a balcony on the NCL Sun. Perfect size for the three of us. You've got a mirror. Hello. Good sized bed, little side tables on each side, little lamps as well that you can control individually with a USB. Got a little space to put on your makeup, TV swivels, and you've got some good drawer space, a little mini fridge in case you have anything, a little bit more cabinets, above that right now, presents in there, some extra storage. You have a good sized couch actually here, which is pretty comfortable. I was sitting on it before, and then this pulls out into a bed if you need it. Balcony time. Let's go check it out. Good size actually for a balcony, can't complain at all. Beautiful day in Seattle. We've got a chair here, as well as two chairs here with a little table. Great size balcony, perfect for Alaska. Can't complain. We were supposed to be on just a ocean view, so this is a huge upgrade for us. Now let's go check out the bathroom. One other thing too, you also have some hanging space. Oh, this is actually really good. I haven't opened this yet. We've got a lot of hangers, and then you've got some shelves here, as well as some baskets. Good amount of floor space, so you can put extra suitcases or shoes, anything. Now let's go check out the bathroom. Haven't been in here either. Woo, this is small. Not much space. Sink, mirror, a little bit of storage. These are not very deep, about like a few inches. Toilet. Wow, old school hair dryer. Wow. And then a very circular shower.
Pretty deep.
I mean, that's not bad size. Can't complain. Perfect room. Will work out amazingly for us. Oh, you got a safe. Not big enough for a laptop. Hi, Poppy. Got upgraded to a balcony, like I said earlier. So nice to have this space. And it is our favorite layout with Poppy because you walk in and you have the bed first, and then you have the couch and the balcony. So it's just easier for Jack to leave in the morning if he's gonna go work out. Kind of gives a nice little space over by the balcony, and we're just starting to unpack and get our luggage. We've done not much at all today, just kind of ate in the main dining room and walked around a little bit. Got a cup of coffee.
No. You all have ate twice.
Oh yeah, well, me and Poppy ate twice because we were hungry. And then, yeah, I don't know, we haven't done too much, just kind of hung and relaxing and starting it off slow. Tomorrow is a sea day, so we will show you that. And tomorrow,
Poppy?
Hey, what is tomorrow? Papa. It's Poppy's birthday! Hey, Bug, how old are you gonna be? 3! Big girl! So she can actually finally go to the kids club for free now. So we are gonna be celebrating Poppy all day tomorrow, and probably just do the buffet for dinner tonight and just have a relaxing day. See you later. Bye-bye, Seattle. Bye-bye. Hello, Alaska soon. We're off. Let's go. Have fun. I just went to the spot raffle and I won $100. I go every time, never win. I won. Morning, birthday girl.
It's time for birthday Poppy. Birthday Poppy. Whose birthday is it?
Happy birthday! Yay! Happy birthday!
Wow.
Wow!
Whose birthday is it?
Happy 3 years old!
Yeah!
It's a big one! Happy birthday,
Can I
Bug!
birthday kiss? Oh, did you blow it up? Can I birthday kiss? Mwah. Love you.
Happy birthday, sweetheart. How old are you? How old are you? 3. Good job. Happy birthday. Good morning, everyone. So yesterday we really didn't do much at all. We went to the buffet for dinner and everybody was really tired. So we called it an early night, didn't do really anything, that's why we didn't film. And now it is little Miss Poppy's birthday today!
Da, 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 da.
Are you 3? Wait, go back. How? 3!
Do you show everybody your bow?
What does
Can I see your bow? Your ribbon? It's my birthday. Whose birthday is it?
Poppy! So now we're gonna go head to the main dining room hopefully and go grab some breakfast and go have a fun birthday day. Let's go have some fun.
Yeah,
I don't know what we're doing today. It's a sea day. It's a little choppy and kind of rainy outside, but we'll find something to do. Let's go. Gigs for her birthday. Ooh, do they look fun? Oh. Avocado wrap. And what'd you do, Jack?
The eggs breakfast with baked beans. Is that good mac and cheese?
Is it good?
How many thumbs up? 2 thumbs up, okay.
Did you know that with NCL, when you walk the hallways where the staterooms are, the direction that the fish are swimming is towards the front of the ship. And if you see that one little red one that's going the opposite way, that means that's your closest exit. Then it was time for dinner. We had a very relaxed sea day again, really didn't do too much, just kind of enjoyed family time and Poppy's birthday.
Cobb salad.
And I did the beef and barley soup and spring rolls. Oh, and Poppy, what did you get? Did Poppy get some fruit? Hey, birthday girl, can you show me your button on your shirt? Oh, it says it's my birthday.
This is the hot cake. Birthday girl got mac and cheese.
And I did the pad thai, which was the special for tonight.
Poppy's view of the table.
To you, happy birthday. Look at Daddy, look at Daddy. Happy birthday, dear Poppy.
Happy birthday to you. Yay!
We ended the night off with some music and some dancing until the little birthday girl had to go to bed. It was a great birthday for her. And stay tuned for next week when we head into Juneau and we got some fun stuff planned for there. So till next time, get out and live a little. Bye guys. Good.